This video is just a quick overview of the truck step build, and I did it kind of cinematic, so hopefully you like it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That does it for this truck step video. Next week I'm going to have the long version, which is around 20 minutes, that goes in depth on all the fabrication processes. And anyways, this was just a quick overview to get you interested, and if you are, then go to that next one next week. Alright, well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, still give it a thumbs up. No, I'm kidding. Subscribe if you're not, and hit that bell, that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Check out some of my other videos, and I just started putting Amazon affiliate links in my descriptions, so if you're looking for tools, those are all the ones that I use or use at work and that I suggest for you. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching.